Hey intro bot here. So a couple weeks ago I got a new keyboard, the Yooso Z-88 with brown switches, so I decided to lube it. If you don't know what lubing a keyboard is, then look it up. I'm not gonna explain it, but anyway, after I lubed it I decided to do a sound test, so yeah, here is the sound test.
Hey outro bot here, I hope you enjoyed. It was a bit different, but yeah, like and subscribe cause I don't know, follow me on Twitter at Scootsy, and I'll see ya. Oh, and also subscribe to the Boko and Scootsy show, link in the description, but yeah, anyway, I'll see ya.